What's up guys, you're watching the Street Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-100028-1. There is not enough free space on your SSD, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen, and there we go to the settings. Here we are at the settings, and then storage. You must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage here. You just clean up your storage and delete your media sometime, and you can add a new extended storage or a USB, connect with the PlayStation 5, and it will be fix your space. Use the USB storage, and you must use up to 3.0 or a 3.0. It will be connected your with the PlayStation 5, and sometime you're using the older version of a USB or SSD, that's why it's not working or not compatible. You must firstly you just confirm that your USB or SSD device is compatible with the PlayStation 5. After that, you must connect it, and you just formatted it on the PlayStation 5, and Sony will install some files in it, and after that it will be connected. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error, and I hope you found my video helpful for you. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.